Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to go over how to create a correlation table like this one in the skeleton and also the one in the example here with the asterisk. So to do that, we already have a clean data set. So what we're going to do is to highlight the variables that we want in the example that I provided to you here. For example, we have age, gender, education, work experience. So I'm just going to highlight while clicking on control, select those guys, copy and paste them, and I'm going to paste them here into to sheet 1. And then the same thing, I need the main dependent variable to be the last one. So it is going to be exactly, so you can just copy and paste them from here. So social media addiction would be this guy. And then you got the idea. Now performance is the last one. So to create a correlation table, we can go to the data and data analysis using the Excel tool pack. So the correlation will be here. And then select the input range. I will just select anywhere inside the table and Control A to select all. I'll make sure that I'm selecting the labels in the first row, and I want the output range to be here. The output will be somewhere here, so I can see it. So now I have a really beautiful table. So I'm going to format it to be numbers, and then so now I have really nice, beautiful table. Correlation table. That what I can do is I can just copy and paste this table. So just make sure that you are aware and you pay attention to where your variables are in the table here versus the table here. So in the skeleton, for example, here, this is what I'm gonna do. I'll just paste it right here. So now I have a really nice table. So you already know how to do this in a previous table. Previous video, I showed you how to create the mean and the median. So this is great, but now we have an issue with the p-value. So Excel doesn't provide to us the p-value, the significance level of the correlation. Therefore, a kind of a work around this would be to use, so let me delete this guy. So to use Tableau, so you already have used Tableau last week. So I'll just navigate to the data set. Okay, it looks like the data set is here. It is here. Close. So I'll just open it. Now sheet 1, that's the sheet that I just created only for my research paper. So now this is the correlation that we have. So I want to see the correlation. So 1 is age, and so 1 and 1, the correlation is 100%. It is 1. So now 1 and 2, or age and gender, the cross tabulation here is 0.5. So this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do age, and then gender. So that's the first correlation. You will notice that it doesn't show the scatter plot. So I need to go to analysis and uncheck the aggregate measures. So now I have the correlation, and I can click the show trend line. Now I can see that the p-value is showing 0.089. Since this p-value is not significant, I'm gonna leave this alone. I'm not gonna put asterisk. Asterisk only for those who are significant and the significance level, right? So that's done. And now let's look at 1 and education. 1 and education. So I'll just put education here, and then look at the p-value here. P-value is greater or larger than 0.05, so it's not significant. I'll leave it alone. Now I'll go to the next. The next one is work experience. So work experience, I'll just put it here. So I can see the p-value is very low. So for work experience, I can just put 3 asterisk, right? So for here, independent variable in this case is